my main piece of advice if you're trying to get into uni life, society. It's just the best thing. I joined football, and some of my closest friends I made there. I love it.
I am in the nursing committee,
the crochet society,
the football society,
tennis society, football,
rugby, cricket, whatever you're into.
There are loads of societies at university, there's loads. My friend actually started up a Nintendo one.
There might be a Halloween one which goes all year round, which is really odd. I'm not sure why you'd want to celebrate Halloween all year round.
You don't have to stay in them. If you join them, you don't like it, you can leave. There's a society for literally everything.
Within that time, I managed to meet some really amazing friends that I still see all the time today, even though I left the society.
Most of the friends I've made have been through different societies, and the best thing about it is everyone shares the same interest in those societies.
I think through societies you can make lifelong friends.
If you just manage to find one thing that you can be somewhat interested in and someone else is also interested in that, you're just so much more likely to click from the get-go.
It just helps with making friends and meeting people who are like-minded, maybe so we can help each other, support each other.
I think to get the best out of it, you've got to really do everything you can and meet as many people and be friends with as many people as you can be.
Getting out of your comfort zone and going and talking to people can make you feel more comfortable and maybe help you meet more people.
It's also helped me a lot with my confidence, helped with my communication skills and how to speak to different type of authoritative people, join a society and have fun and make friends.
During Freshers Week, they offered around, they stayed around in our common room and told us about trials and what they would like to do. They also posted up posters around to advertise what they do.
I knew that if I were to open an Instagram account, I can literally just follow all of their accounts. That way I was able to find new events that they were promoting on the social media platforms, especially Instagram and TikTok.
The big one's the student bar. The student bar is where everything goes on. If you're wondering what's going on, go to the student bar.
Try things that you're not used to doing. It's a great way to make new friends, find out more about yourself as well. Yeah, just grab everything by both hands.
Of course, there was initially a lot of worry around whether people would like me, that kind of thing.
It's 4 years of your life that is going to be the best years, and you've got to make the most of it. You've got to just do as many new experiences as you can.
The way I saw it in my head, which really helped, was everyone else, they want to make friends in the same way that you want to make friends.
University is more than a degree. It's a full experience, and like any experience, it is what you make of it.